Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream fluffy. To achieve a light, airy texture, the key is to incorporate enough air during the churning process. This aeration prevents a dense, icy result, giving you that delightful, cloud-like scoop. We will cover essential steps from ingredient selection to the final freeze, ensuring your homemade treat is perfectly fluffy every time. Let's get started. Selecting the right ingredients is fundamental for fluffy ice cream. Use dairy with a higher fat content, such as heavy cream, for a richer, smoother base that holds air well. Incorporating stabilizers like egg yolks, often found in custard bases, helps prevent large ice crystals. Most importantly, ensure your ice cream base is completely chilled, ideally overnight, before churning to optimize the process. The churning process is where the magic happens, incorporating air into your base. Churn at a consistent, moderate speed, allowing the machine to work efficiently without overworking the mixture. Avoid overfilling your ice cream maker bowl, as the volume will increase significantly as air is incorporated. Stop churning when the ice cream reaches a soft serve consistency, typically after 20 to 30 minutes. After churning, quickly transfer your soft ice cream to an airtight container to prevent freezer burn and maintain its fluffy texture. Freeze it for at least 4 hours, or until it reaches your desired firmness. For an even smoother result, consider adding a small amount of alcohol, like 1 to 2 tablespoons of vodka, or a touch of corn syrup to your base, as these can help reduce ice crystal formation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.